Welcome to our overview of Edition-Based Redefinition, also known as EBR, a feature of the Oracle database. So in the world of high availability, we're talking about applications, database, and infrastructure, with clients coming in and connecting to those. And from a high availability perspective, we have patching and upgrades and unexpected outages that we need to be concerned with. For EBR, we're specifically focusing on application patching and upgrades. Okay, let's take a look at an example now. So we have our running current edition of our application. We have our app running on top of it, and we have a load balancer. This is the current running. It's our production application. We have new clients coming in. They connect up to the load balancer, and they're redirected normally to the current version of our production application. Let's go ahead. Push that aside. We have additional clients connected to it. It's still up and running at this point. As finished clients come in, they're connected up to the run application. At the same time, we're going to go ahead and roll out our patch edition. So we have our patch edition in the database. We have a patched application that we have up and running now. Now we have the ability, as new clients come in, we can go ahead and redirect them to the patched application while still keeping our current production app up and running. As new clients connect up to our patched application, we'll gain more confidence that it's ready for production. As older clients connect back up, we can use a load balancer to connect them up to the patched application as well. Eventually, there will be no connections to our original running application, and our patched application will be ready for production. So we can go ahead and switch our patched application to be the production app, and at this point we can drop the older version of the application. And our application upgrade is complete. With that, we will wrap up. Thank you for watching this quick overview of Edition-Based Redefinition.